Hello guys, so welcome back to this module 3. Today we'll be looking at creating written social media content. Yeah, this is the core of what we are doing. And then let me be honest, this module is gonna be a little bit technical, but if you remain focused, you will catch up with whatever we are doing today. So let's be honest, most people don't struggle with posting because they are lazy. No, so they struggle because they don't know what to say or how to say them. So in this lesson, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to write Facebook and LinkedIn posts that build authority. Yes, create Instagram caption that feels human and not robotic. Write Twitter posts that hook attention very fast and a call to action that don't sound needy or desperate. Now, we'll go to the next lesson, ChatGPT. Yeah, we're already on ChatGPT. Now let's look at Facebook and LinkedIn posts. Here we are focusing on story and authority. Yeah, so Facebook and LinkedIn reward stories and lessons. Yeah, not vibes, not motivation quotes. This is real experience and clear takeaway. So it has a simple formula which if you follow, you're gonna get what you need. Number one is story, lesson, soft call to action. I say again, story, lesson, call to action. Now we are going to use this prompt. You have to copy and paste this prompt into your ChatGPT. Act as a social media content coach. To stop, write the Facebook slash LinkedIn post using the short personal story about what topic? About okay, building a profitable online business. Online business and with a clear lesson that positions me as an knowledgeable. So this is it. Act as a social media content coach. Write a Facebook, LinkedIn post using a short personal story uh about building a profitable online business. Um, okay, it's about then end it with a clear lesson that position me as a knowledgeable motivated KPT. Okay, it's fine. Let's go. So it has given us this post. Yeah, very simple. We can create image like I told you in the previous. So you can create image. You can tell ChatGPT to make an image out of this. Come here, create image. Right, create image. So this is the prompt. 3 years ago, I was on my online business with big idea and zero clarity. I was jumping between tools, watching endless video, and copying strategies that didn't fit me. Busy, yes, profitable, not even close. Everything changed when I stopped chasing more and focused on system, one clear offer, one audience, simple automation to do the heavy lifting. That's when income became predictable. No overnight magic, just structure, consistency, smart use of digital tools. Here is the lesson most beginners miss. Success online isn't about doing everything, it's about doing the right thing repeatedly, the system behind you. You don't need to be an expert, you need clarity, guidance, and a process that works. If you are build smart, create image. So ChatGPT is going to create image around this post. So you can just copy and paste this post into your Facebook, LinkedIn, and this image that is being generated here. All right. So why this thing works is because story attracts attention, lesson shows authority, and then making it short is readable because you wouldn't want to waste people time. So that is it. You can still create a video around this anyway if you want. Yeah. So wow, this is ChatGPT. This is the image of what we've prompted ChatGPT to do. Now this is it. Yeah. 3 years ago I had a no clue. Wow, one clear offer. Yeah, success. So that is it. ChatGPT has done its job by giving us what we wanted. So we'll go to the next part, which is Instagram capture. Instagram capture, which requires short, punchy, and emotional. So Instagram is not for essay. Yeah. So Instagram is for feelings plus clarity. And here are Instagram's capture rules. It has to be short line, white space, one emotion, and one idea. So if we use this prompt, um, write an Instagram caption for beginners about building AI sales system. Keep it under 70 words. Use short sentences. Make it emotional and relatable. And with simple question. Yeah. Now we hit the button. Let ChatGPT do the magic. So it says I used to reply to every message manually, missed leads, missed money, burnout, and AI sales system changed that. Follow up, nurture cells while I sleep. You don't need to be technical, you need a system that works for you. Still doing everything yourself. Now you can as well create image around this. All right. Now, while we wait for ChatGPT, let's see why this thing works. Easy to read, very easy to read, scroll friendly, and feels human, not selling. So, um, ChatGPT is creating an image that reflects this right up. Right. So let's just wait for some minutes and see what comes out of ChatGPT. Wow, how cool is that? See what ChatGPT has given us. I think this is what we need. It's okay. You can basically paste this thing on our Instagram, and it's still access the message. So this is it. If you want, you can still change. If you don't like this image, like if you want to change this image, you can actually do that. Yeah, so you can come here, change this image. You can send replace image and replace photo. So we've asked ChatGPT to replace this photo for us with this one. So it's now doing the magic. Wow, how cool is that? Look at what ChatGPT has given us. Wow. All right, so we can click here to downloads. Now let's go to Pastel, which is Twitter, which is X. We already know X post, hook, and threads. So X is about hook, not explanation. Um, if line one is boring, no more reads in line two. So you have to be specific about what you're doing. Like the hook prompt for X, like write a 5 short Twitter hook for beginners about a particular topic. Keep each under 15 minutes. Make them um, curiosity driven. So it can be turn idea into 5 tweet threads. Start with bold hook and all that, and then all that. Let's go to part 4, which is call action writing. Without sounding desperate. The truth here is desperate CTAs repair people. If you drag people or chase people, for you think you are chasing them, but the more you chase them, the more they run. So you don't have just simple CTA. So you don't need, please buy my products. You don't need to tell your audience that. You don't need to say support me. No, it's a bad and wrong CTA. You will not see any ping. I need a client. You don't do that. So you need one direction. You're not begging. Now we have 5 CTA framework. You can just copy and paste this. It will go a long way to help you in your endeavor. Like we have curiosity CTA, curiosity call to action. When you want to see how, or you can say, do you want to see how I do this daily? It's a question. All right. Conversation CTA. For example, what have been your biggest struggle with this? Is a clear CTA. You are tracking that person just to with a question. Is a question like CTA, and then a permission CTA. If you want templates, I will share it with you. Is a CTA. Soft authority CTA, for example, this is exactly what I teach my students. So curious, they want to know. Authority, they want to know. Low pressure CTA, save this for later, you will need it. Is a low pressure CTA. So all this CTA, all this work because they invite you, you're not pushing them. All right. Now, when you scroll down, when you see, when you look below, you will see 10 best caption prompts that you need. That will help you as a beginner. You look at it, yeah. So, without not wasting much time, this is your quick win right now. Pick one platform, copy one prompt, generate one post it today, and no editing loop. Okay, consistency beats confidence. Posting creates clarity. Now I've got a question for you. Which platform do you still struggle with most? Instagram, LinkedIn, or X? But before then, I will advise if you can use or maintain one platform. Don't post on all platforms. You can just make one or two, Facebook or Instagram. Well, if you're using Facebook, automatically there's a way you can link them so that whenever you post on Facebook, you can appear on your Instagram, maybe YouTube. You can use Facebook and YouTube, Facebook and TikTok, but you don't mean that except you have upgraded, you want to upscale, then you can now diversify to other social media platform, but you can just keep it maybe one or two, and then so thanks for joining us. See you on the other module. All right, bye for now.